Hi, my name is Sean Fournier, product specialist for dryspin lead screws at IGUS, and today we're going to be discussing how to properly secure a lead screw. One of the biggest mistakes I see engineers make when designing a lead screw system is improper constraining of the ends of the lead screw. In general, at IGUS, we tend to classify the securing of a lead screw into three separate categories: free, loose, and fixed. First, there's free. And free is exactly what it sounds like. It's a screw that has absolutely zero constraining or securing of the end of the screw. We recommend to avoid this if at all possible. The reason for this is that as the screw rotates, an unsecured end will cause even the sturdiest and slowest moving of screws to whip. This whipping causes extreme noise generation and a rapid decrease in life cycles of the lead screw system. Next, there's loose securing. Now, loose securing is a screw that is secured with something like a bushing. While this configuration does constrain the screw, the clearance between the bushing and the screw can generate some noise. As a result, we typically recommend that this type of configuration is used for hand applications only. Now, finally, there is fixed securing. Fixed securing is when a lead screw is constrained with a ball bearing and clamps. This configuration has little to no clearance and is optimal for all lead screw applications if possible, but is required for motorized, high-speed applications. To learn more about how to properly mount and secure your lead screw system, or for any other general information, click the link below.